Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. I am Adam.
And I am Sarah. Hello, everyone.
Sarah, today we have a very special secret for our friends.
A secret?
If you stay until the end of this video, your brain will change. Because today we play the guessing game. This game is magic for your mind.
The guessing game is magic? Why is it magic?
Usually, you translate English in your head. You think in your language first.
Yes, I think in my language, and then I translate to English. It is very slow.
Exactly. It is slow and it is hard. But this game stops the translation. When we play, your mind must listen 100%. You only think about the answer in English.
I listen 100%. My mind is busy. My mind is full of English.
Yes, your brain works in English. You do not have time to translate.
No time to translate, no fear, just my mind and the English words.
Exactly. We are not here to learn many new words today. We are training your brain. We want your brain to live in English.
Live in English, like a workout for the mind.
Yes, like a gym for your English brain. It makes you fast and confident.
Fast and confident. I want that, Adam. I want to think in English like a pro.
You will. If you watch the whole video and play with us, you will feel the change.
I am ready. I want to feel the change today. Let us start the game.
Great. Let us start our brain workout right now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Now I will describe a new job.
You will describe it with simple words.
Yes, and you must guess the job. Our listeners can guess too.
Listeners, let's play together.
Okay, round one. This person works in a hospital.
A hospital, a place for sick people.
Yes, this person helps sick people.
Helps sick people.
This person wears a white coat. What is the job?
Works in a hospital, wears a white coat, helps sick people. It is a doctor.
A doctor. Yes, you are correct. 1 point for Sarah.
Yay! Doctors are very important. Next round.
Round two. This person works outside.
Works outside. In the sun?
Yes, this person loves the earth.
Loves the earth. Okay.
This person grows fruit and vegetables, like apples and potatoes.
Grows food.
This person has many animals, cows, sheep, and chickens. What is the job?
Works outside, grows food, has cows and chickens. It is a farmer.
A farmer. Yes, you are correct again. 2 points.
I love farmers. They give us food. Okay, next.
Round three. This person works in a restaurant.
A restaurant. A place to eat.
Yes, this person works in the kitchen.
Works in the kitchen.
This person cooks food, hot soup, chicken, and pasta.
Cooks food in a restaurant.
This person wears a tall white hat. What is the job?
A tall white hat, cooks food. It is a chef.
A chef. Yes, a chef or a cook. 3 points for Sarah.
Wow, I am very good at this guessing game.
You are very good. Let's do one more round, the last round.
Make it difficult, Adam.
Okay, this person drives a very big vehicle.
A vehicle. Like a car?
No, much bigger than a car. It flies in the sky.
It flies in the sky.
Yes, this person travels to many countries.
Travels to many countries in the sky.
This person wears a uniform. What is the job?
Drives a big machine in the sky. It is a pilot.
A pilot. Yes, you are exactly right. 4 points for Sarah. I used this thing on Saturday morning. It's in the kitchen. It's metal and it gets very hot. I use it to cook my eggs. What is it?
It's metal and it gets hot. Is it a pan?
Yes, it is a pan. Great job, Sarah.
1 point for me. Give me the next one.
Okay, this is something I do in the park. I do it slowly. I use my legs to move. I do not run. What is it?
You move slowly and you don't run. Is it walking?
Yes, it is walking. You are very good at this.
I am a professional guesser. Give me one more.
Okay, this is a food. My mother makes it on Sunday. It is sweet and brown. It has a lot of sugar and cocoa. What is it?
Oh, I know this one. It is the best cake in the world. It's chocolate cake.
Yes, chocolate cake. You got all of them right, Sarah.
Yay! I am the winner.
Well, that's the end of our lesson about the weekend.
We hope you enjoyed it.
I will describe something in the house.
You will describe furniture or a room.
Yes, you must guess what it is.
I will guess, and our listeners will guess too.
Yes, listeners, play with us. Round 1.
I am ready.
This is a piece of furniture.
Furniture, okay?
It is in the living room.
In the living room.
It is soft. You sit on it.
It is soft. I sit on it.
Yes, you sit on it and you watch the big TV. What is it?
I sit on it in the living room. It is a sofa.
A sofa. Yes, you are correct. 1 point for Sarah.
Yay! A sofa. Next round, please.
Round 2. This is in the kitchen.
In the kitchen, okay?
It is very tall. It has a door.
Tall with a door.
Yes, you open the door. It is very cold inside.
Very cold inside.
You put cold milk and red apples inside. What is it?
Cold inside for milk and apples. It is a fridge.
A fridge. Yes, you are right again. 2 points.
I am very good at this. Give me a hard one.
Okay, round 3. This is a room.
A room, not furniture, a room.
Yes, a room. You go to this room at night.
At night, okay?
It is very quiet. It has a big closet.
Quiet with a closet.
You close your eyes in this room. You sleep here. Which room is it?
I close my eyes and sleep. It is the bedroom.
The bedroom. Yes, 3 points for Sarah.
Wow, the bedroom. Okay, one more round, Adam.
Round 4, the last round. This is in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Okay.
It is on the wall.
On the wall.
It is made of glass.
Made of glass.
You stand in front of it. You look at it. You see your own face. What is it?
Made of glass, I see my face. It is a mirror.
A mirror. Yes, you got all 4 correct. You win. I will describe an animal. You must guess if it is a morning animal or a night animal.
Okay, and I must guess the name of the animal?
Yes. Listeners, play with us. Round 1.
I am listening.
This animal is a bird.
A bird, okay?
It wakes up very, very early, before the sun.
Before the sun.
It makes a very loud sound. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
I know this sound.
It wakes up all the farmers. What is the animal?
It makes a loud sound in the morning. It is a rooster.
A rooster, yes, you were right. Is it a morning animal or a night animal?
It is a morning animal. It is an early bird.
Correct. 1 point for Sarah.
1 point. Next animal, Adam.
Round 2. This animal is also a bird.
Another bird, okay?
It has very big, round eyes.
Big, round eyes.
It sleeps all day. It is awake all night.
Awake all night.
It makes a sound like hoo, hoo. What is it?
Oh, I know this bird. It is an owl.
An owl, yes. Is it a morning animal or a night animal?
It is a night animal. It is a night owl.
Perfect.
We have a question for our Snack English family. Tell us in the comments.
This is not a bird.
Not a bird, okay?
This animal is very small. It is black.
Small and black.
It does not have feathers. It has wings.
Wings, but no feathers.
It flies at night. It sleeps upside down in the day.
Upside down. I know this animal.
It lives in dark caves. What is it?
Tell us in the comments. Okay, Adam, that was a great game.
It was fun.
And we learned about ourselves.
Yes, I'm a rooster. I wake up early and I am loud.
And I am an owl. I have big eyes and I love the moon.
We are a very funny team, Sarah.
We are a great team, Adam.
Okay, everyone, we talked a lot today. This game is about things we do when we are bored.
I will guess, and our listeners will guess with me.
Yes, listeners, play with us. Round 1.
I am listening, Adam. Give me the first one.
Okay, this is an activity. You sit on a sofa.
I sit on a sofa. Okay.
You look at a big screen. You see people acting in a story.
People acting in a story.
You eat popcorn and you laugh. What is the activity?
You sit on a sofa and eat popcorn. It is watching a movie.
Watching a movie. Yes, you are correct. 1 point for Sarah.
Yay! 1 point. I love watching movies. Give me another one.
Round 2. This is an object. It is very small.
A small object. Is it in the house?
Yes, it is in your hand. It has a screen and many apps.
A screen and many apps.
You use it to call your best friend Maria. What is it?
It is in my hand and I call Maria. It is a phone.
A phone! Yes, you are right again. 2 points for Sarah.
A phone is very useful when we are bored. Next round.
Round 3. This is an activity. You are outside.
I am outside, okay.
You move your legs. You move slowly on the street or in the park.
I move my legs in the park.
You see the trees and you breathe the fresh air. What is it?
You move slowly and see trees. It is walking.
Walking. Yes. 3 points for Sarah. You are a star. Now we want to hear from you, our amazing listeners.
Yes, we have a question for our Snack English family.
Okay, round 4, the last round. This is an object.
An object, okay.
It is made of paper and it has many, many words inside.
Many words inside.
You open it and you read a story about history. What is it?
It is made of paper and I read it.
Tell us in the comments.
If you liked this easy English video, please click the like button.
It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to Snack English.
We will make more simple and fun videos for you every week.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Stay happy, keep practicing, and don't be shy.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.